Stoichiometry. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. Stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. In this video, we are going to discuss some problems. But if you can't understand this video, please watch our first video, Mol 1, problems with the answer. Now let's go to the problems. First one. When 96 grams of oxygen reacts with excess hydrogen, how many moles of water are formed? Molar mass of oxygen is 32. Units of molar mass are gram per mole. When 96 grams of oxygen reacts with excess hydrogen, how many moles of water are formed? Here we have been given 96 grams of oxygen, but we have to convert this 96 grams of oxygen to moles. We can divide this 96 grams of oxygen by molar mass of oxygen 32. Then we can convert this into moles. Excess hydrogen means there is no limit. We don't know how many grams or how many moles are there. But we know 96 grams of oxygen we have been given. This is the equation. 2H2 plus O2, we get 2H2O. On the left hand side 4H2. On the right hand side also 4H2. On the left hand side O2 1O2. On the right hand side 1O2. Equation is balanced. We know the ratio 1 mole O2 to 2 mole H2O. With hydrogen, 1 mole O2 can produce 2 moles of H2O. Now we have to convert 96 grams of oxygen to moles. We have been given 96 grams of oxygen. As I mentioned earlier, we can do that. Dividing by molar mass, 96 grams of oxygen divided by molar mass of oxygen 32 gram per mole. We can cancel out gram. Then we get 3 moles of oxygen. We converted 96 grams of oxygen to moles. Now we get 3 moles of oxygen. But this is not our main answer. We know we found the ratio 1 mole O2 gives 2 moles H2O. 1 mole O2 gives 2 moles H2O. Then we have 3 moles of O2 here. Then 3 moles O2 give, we can find it in this way, 2 mole H2O divided by 1 mole O2 multiplied by 3 moles O2. 1 mole H2O divided by 1 mole O2 multiplied by 3 mole O2. We can cancel out mole O2, mole O2. Now we get 6 mole H2O. When 96 grams of oxygen reacts with excess hydrogen, we get 6 moles of H2O. Answer is 6 moles of H2O. 6 moles of H2O are formed. Try to learn following method. Here I have written calculation in a straight line. I have written everything in a straight line. You can practice this method slowly. Now let's go to the next one. According to the following chemical equation, how many moles of O2 are needed to react with 76.5 grams of ammonia? According to the following chemical equation, how many moles of O2 are needed to react with 76.5 grams of ammonia? Hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, O2 32. These are molar masses of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen. The equation ammonia plus O2 we get N2O plus H2O, but this chemical equation is not balanced. We have to balance it. Let's balance it. For ammonia plus 7O2 we get for N2O plus 6H2O. You practice this and it will take 2-3 minutes to find the balance the equation. We have been given 76.5 grams of ammonia. We have to convert this 76.5 grams of ammonia to moles. Let's convert 76.5 grams of ammonia to moles. 76.5 grams divided by molar mass of ammonia, 17 gram per mole. We can cancel out gram. Then we get 4.5 moles ammonia. But this is not our main answer. We know the balanced chemical equation. 4 moles ammonia react with 7 mole O2, then gives 4 moles N2O plus 6 moles H2O. 4 mole ammonia react with 7 mole O2. Now we have 4.5 moles ammonia. 4 mole ammonia react with 7 mole O2. Then 4.5 mole ammonia react with, we have to find it. We can find it in this way. 7 mole O2 divided by 4 mole ammonia multiplied by 4.5 mole ammonia. 7 mole O2 divided by 4 mole ammonia multiplied by 4.5 mole ammonia. We can cancel out mole ammonia. Then we get 7.875 mole O2. 7.875 mole O2. To react with 76.5 grams of ammonia. .875 moles of O2 are needed. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.